Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ubaid Siddiqui, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Shadan Degree College for Boys. I am handling the subject Programming with C and C++ for BCom Computer Application second semester students. Dear students, our today's topic is basic structure of a C program. Whenever we write a C program, we must have to follow this structure. Most of the section in this structure are optional, whereas one section is compulsory during the design or writing a C program. Let us understand each section in detail. The first section of a C program is known as documentation section. In this section, you can include the name of the programmer, the date, the purpose of the program, what kind of program you have written, and the time of the program. These details you can write in this section with the help of a symbol known as slash star star slash. So in between slash star and star slash you can write the program. Then the second section is link section. This section is especially used for linking header files for using different functions present in these header files. In C language library, there is a list of header files, and under these files there are hundreds and thousands of ready-made small functions, inbuilt functions that you can call. Only thing is you need to know the purpose of the function. Whenever you want to call that function, you must have to link that particular header file in which that function is there, so that you can use that function in our main program and you can call that program and that function will get executed, such as printf and scanf function are present in stdio.h file, whereas clear screen and getch functions are present in the console input output, that is conio.h file. So whenever you need this function to use in your C program, you must have to include these two functions with the help of preprocessor directive, that is hash include stdio.h. Here I have written in this program. This is known as document link section. After the link section, the third section is known as definition section. Whenever we want to declare a symbolic constant or global variables, or you want to write a macro, you have to use this definition section. This section is above the main program, where you can declare the symbolic constants with the help of hash preprocessor directive. And you can write a small macro for in your program to add that macro in your C program. Then the fourth section is known as definition section, which is under the link section, and in this definition section you have to declare the the fourth section is global declaration section, and in this global declaration section you can declare global functions and global variables. Normally we used to declare global variables in a C program. Whenever we want a variable to be used in different functions, then that variable can be declared outside the main. A variable declared outside the main program is normally known as global variable. Then the most important section of a C program is main function section. this is a compulsory section, whereas first, second, third and fourth sections are optional sections. This main function section is very important, and you must have to include this section to write your program, C program, because it is a compulsory section. This section consists of two parts. One is known as executable part, whereas the other is known as declaration part. So you have to declare variables, and then you have to declare the values to these variables, and then finally you can execute with the help of print statement. So this main section is very important whenever we write a C program. At least you have to write this section, and you have to add these two things, declaration part and executable part. Then finally there is a sub program section. When you want to declare your own function in a C program, then you have to use sub program section. Here you can declare your own function, which is normally known as user defined function. I have given a small example here of a C program, and you can see this, that in this we have added a link section, included a link section, and directly we have used main section. And in the main section there are two parts. The first part is known as declaration part, and then there is a second part which is known as executable part. So this first line is called declaration, because here we are declaring variable a, b, c of type int, whereas this c is equal to a plus b is a executable part. Here a and b will be added, and that addition will goes to c variable, and finally we are printing the c value. So this way we normally used to write a C program. So this much you have to write when any question is asked in the examination. Explain basic structure of a C program, and don't forget to draw this diagram. Thank you very much.